For ADC machines, shunt resistance and armature resistance values are answer high and low. Next question, which is measured with the Wheatstone bridge? Answer resistance. Next question, which circuit is mostly used as an amplifier? Answer common emitter circuit because it has high voltage and current gain. Next question, under no load condition, the current in a transmission line is due to capacitance of the line. Question, a network has 10 nodes and 17 branches. The number of different node pair voltage would be answer 45. Next question, imperfections in the crystal structure result is decreasing mobility. Next question, a short circuit rectangular coil falls under gravity with the coil remains in a vertical plane and cutting perpendicular horizontal magnetic lines of force. It has which type acceleration? Answer constant acceleration.